The FKJGP today, the 1st February, urged the Meghalaya Urban Minister to complete the installation of machines at the Marten dumping ground in Maoyong for disposal of waste. The FKJGP also submitted a memorandum to the Minister in this regard. Speaking to the media after the meeting with the Minister, the General Secretary Shri D. Kongsit of the Federation informed that their Federation is saddened with the lukewarm attitude of the state government to use the machines for disposal of garbage even after purchasing them months ago. He said one of these machines have been installed in this place, but the authorities are yet to employ persons to use it. These machines will enable the workers at Marten to mechanically separate the biodegradable from the non-biodegradable waste. He also said it is disheartening to see that medical waste collected from the different hospitals of the city are not being properly disposed of. They are burnt with diesel, which causes huge pollution to the surrounding area of Marten. Furthermore, he said the organization has given 1 month time to the government for complete installation of these machines, and it will also vigorously follow up to ensure that these machines are installed within the stipulated time.
Nakaliang kejong minister hadir mengadap ai kini memorandum habadi ban step no ban pentrikam yatiki plan and machineries nama taban segregate ya kita ki jabo ya ka wies sangtai ya bampuan tebat kemjur ban pentrikam ya ka incinerator kapan thang itu ki biomedical waste mo ki bami naki hospital bat naki ki diagnostic center te nakaliang jong minister in charge wong ba ya kini ka jeng'e kapa kia kenduk nak ke department ke di Islam ha den rei pat wong ba kadon kata ka jeng seiso ha kini kendiat singi beladap kendiat mana beladap wong ba den kata ba wan on corona ki khamyo ban penrekam sha ya kapa kat kum ke jeng semu ba kwan penrekam ya kati ki tiar pok marten den kalian jong hi wong ba umpat kwa man ha ka assurance iki nak kalian jong wong ba rei nak kalian jong ki department hi ki long ba kumum nuru ba mentau benah ki kwa hi bakin something ban inaugurate no lada ka long in position kat kum kejing thu kejong i kejing lap ba iwan expect mangi ya ketika marten hi tena kalian kaseng la ekran giru ba ikin tu sarkar ba kadi ban long ka ba di bandon kata kajing yu i jengai ba kum ka long mentahi ketika marten kanam la asu ba kan pediang khaj ta ki jebo ki ba mi na pok Shillong te ban pestet ban wat ki jaka pat syaki kijaka ki bapaji nak Shillong te nomor ba nakalian kasang ni yoi bat ni syam ba kajing e jong ki paima ka jong ni hakitan nong kandong ru bakin pedang ya kum kani ka project ya katawan thia i dikinyon kadaw ba kalong ba kamartan hi kalong taka katakan nuksa ya ki paima bakin pedang nomor ba la pala ban penja eta kajing smart jong marten kumnu eta kajing smart ba dan marten lite ba steki jakano kandong kita kadau ko pangikram takasmi nakaliang jong minister la syashkor bawa ong to sale ka bahatam namar bangi i bala nakaliang jong sarkar kami i jengai namang imkran tangin ke jebo ko Shillong ngi i ba kiwi district ru ka population ka jing bun pat ka nang kio nakawi ka por kung ko sorba jowai ka sorba nongston ka sorba nata ka nongpo bat kumju ruspo Garo Hills telada ka nakaliang jong ka municipal department kamdan lupa ta ka jingi jengai ka vision habadi bakaliang ka waste management hakini ki district ru na try kaju ka jing e kumbagi kendu e marten manta